Hello everyone, today is our day in the kitchen. So we'll show you how we prepare a simple baguette with salad, prosciutto and brie. We get started. By now, my mother-in-law will take out the bread from the package. It's not stuck, right? No panic, no panic. You can use the scissors, that's it. And perfect. She's a bit emotional, that's it. And she will put the bread on the tray. Now, we need to wait that the oven, the temperature
will reach
the 200 degree, and when it reach, we need to put the baguette in the oven. Now that the oven has reached the temperature that's 200 degree, now she will put the tray with the bread in the oven.
there.
Yeah, the beautiful new oven. Right, now we need to set the oven to set our dough. So temperature and sorry for the 8 for 10 minutes. See, it is 10 minutes, and we press start. So
There we go.
it starts to
heat.
That's it. See, the bread is
Now heating.
that's it. Now, in the meantime, we prepare the thing we need to put inside the bread. So